Hello and good morning, everybody. This is Bud Fox with Ichimoku Trade, and this morning I just wanted to go over a few of our value plays that had lined up with the IMTF indicator. So first thing I got to do is a disclaimer. This is just for educational purposes only. We do not recommend buying or selling any instruments. If you want to engage in buying or selling any financial instruments, I would inquire with your financial advisor. We are broker neutral. I'll be using TradeStation charts. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to look at is GameStop, GME. This was our value play. It was tough to get into it. Down here is where it bottomed. You knew you had earnings coming. You could do a little options play off here. But now we're looking at it. It came out with good earnings. It's still kind of not sure what it wants to do. However, you see on this 60-minute, you got the row of black crosses that's holding. So you had the initial pop of earnings and the pullback, which could have gotten you long at, say, 1744 down to 1727. Maybe stop out at 1685. Either way, this is something we want to look at and just something to give an example on about how to trade off the crosses on a reversal on value trades. Second one is one we've been looking at for 6 months now. Net one. You could probably go back, I don't know, for at least over the last 4 months, we've put this out there. We were looking at it at like $9.50 back in June. It just has done nothing since. Finally, before its earnings came out, it started to trade above these crosses in here. Had its initial pop. It went crazy. I guess it was Wednesday of last week. Not a lot of volume out there. Because it's some announcement that they're doing some kind of agreement with another company to clear Bitcoin in Europe. So obviously, it's kind of like back in 2000, if you mentioned the word internet or communications in an announcement, your stock just went to the moon. It seems like today it's Bitcoin. If you have anything to do with Bitcoin, you're going to go. The one thing that I'm noticing again, there was an upgrade that came out with a target of 20. That's kind of what we're looking at. But obviously, this Bitcoin announcement, we were not looking at a two-run like this. It went as high as 1385 in the aftermarket Wednesday. But here's the crosses right here. $11. I think maybe it's $10.90, but yeah. So $10.99, $11. This is a 60-minute. So you know your risk. Maybe you could go like 1060 as a stop and just see what happens. So that's it for now. If anybody has any questions, you can email us at info@ichimokutrade.com. We'll definitely respond. If there's things that you want to see, let us know. Otherwise, happy trading. Bye-bye.